Overwatch 2, the highly anticipated sequel to the popular team shooter game, has captured the hearts of gamers worldwide. However, like any complex piece of software, Overwatch 2 may encounter technical issues that can hinder your gaming experience. In this video, we'll explore common problems players may face with Overwatch 2 and provide some troubleshooting tips to get you back in the game. Ensure that your gaming meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. Check your computer specifications, including the processor, graphics card, and RAM. If your system falls short, consider upgrading the necessary components to ensure optimal performance. Outdated graphic drivers can often cause compatibility issues or graphical glitches in games. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers specifically tailored for Overwatch 2. Installing the most up-to-date drivers can resolve any performance-related problems. Corrupted or missing game files can cause Overwatch 2 to malfunction. Use the game's built-in repair tool or the game launcher to scan and repair any corrupted files. This process may take some time, but it can resolve many issues related to game crashes or errors. Background applications and processes can consume software resources and interfere with smooth operation of Overwatch 2. Close unnecessary programs, particularly resource-intensive ones, to free up system memory and processing power. If you have exhausted all troubleshooting options without success, don't hesitate to reach out to Blizzard's Entertainment Customer Support. They have a dedicated team to help players troubleshoot and resolve technical issues specific to Overwatch 2. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including any error messages or symptoms you are experiencing. Overwatch 2 brings thrilling gameplay and intensive team battles to the gaming community. However, technical issues can occasionally dampen the experience. By following the troubleshooting steps and seeking assistance when needed, you can overcome common hurdles and get back to enjoying the captivating world of Overwatch 2. Stay persistent and may victory be ever in your favor.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.